When you're planning an event, figuring out room assignments for each session gets tricky. You've only got so much available space, and it's not easy to predict the popularity for any single session, much less across an entire event. The last thing you want is an overcrowded session without enough seats for everyone, or an oversized room for a more niche session, whose discussion would benefit from a more intimate setting. As an organizer, you need early headcounts to know what your attendees are interested in ahead of time, letting you allocate your resources accordingly and avoid any frantic last-minute room changes. Say hello to Whova's Session RSVP, the easy way to understand your attendees' preferences so you can plan with confidence. With Session RSVP, Whova makes it easy for you to gather data on all of your different sessions, so you can listen to your audience and rely on data rather than your own prediction. See the RSVP numbers for each session, then use them to match those sessions to the perfect room. Useful for when a session gets a high number of signups, so you can hold it in a more accommodating space. For your speakers, you can plan ahead with a clear picture of their expected audience, allowing you to prepare handouts or technical equipment. And with a full session room awaiting them, they'll feel confident delivering their presentation. The best part is, there's no additional charge and there's minimal setup required. It only takes a few clicks to enable Session RSVP. Whova will handle the rest. Upon setup, include a message to encourage attendees to RSVP with details about your event or an ideal deadline to show their interest by, along with highlighting any high-profile speakers and session topics that will catch their attention. Your attendees will see this information once they've completed registration, but you control which ticket types will be prompted to RSVP in case you don't want specific groups to see it. With Whova's Session RSVP, we give you the tools to make the most of your available event space. Get accurate per-session headcounts, avoid last-minute room relocations, and prepare your speakers and attendees so your event can run smoother than ever.